Hi, this is Taylor with Rentals in SF, and this is the video tour of 1338 Fell Street. Okay, fantastic. This is located in the highly desirable Nopa neighborhood. That's just north of Panhandle, and right here we are, north of Panhandle. Lots to see and do in this wonderful area. And as you can tell, the main drag is the Visidera with lots of food, drink, and shopping options. Here we are just north of Fell Street and really close to Nopalita and Pete's Coffee. Now, Fell Street is a busy street. Here we are on Fell Street. It's a one-way heading towards the west. And here is the absolutely gorgeous Victorian home. This home is so well taken care of. It's so clean. I think you're absolutely going to love it. This is really, really a special place. Okay, let's just go up the steps right here. Here we are on the top landing, and let's head right in. 1338 is right here on the left. Beautiful wainscoting all throughout this gorgeous hallway. There is a brand new carpeting down this hallway. Absolutely brand new, smells wonderful. This is the front, there we go, just a perspective, front door. And this is the front living room. This is a very large room, about 12 feet by 18 feet. So just to give you some perspective of how large this room is. Beautiful decorative fireplace, super tall ceilings. Those pocket doors do work to create a parlor situation, but many people leave those doors shut and that becomes a bedroom. Okay. Beautiful hardwood floors, gorgeous detailing, new paint throughout, new carpet, new paint. This place is classic, but it feels like new. It really does feel amazing. Okay, here is the first bedroom. Again, gorgeous hardwood floors. Now keep in mind that this closet is actually not usable because it does have the furnace, which is a forced air furnace. You can see the return right there. So this closet cannot be used, but I'm going to show you a closet in the hallway that is enormous. And I think it would substitute for a perfect closet for this room. Look at those baseboards, gorgeous. Okay, so that's bedroom number one. Then we go down the hall. Look at that, beautiful details. Okay, now this closet, huge. 12 feet long, 3.5 feet wide. So this is a 12-foot long closet. Lots, I would call this a walk-in closet. So somebody certainly that utilized that as a bedroom could use that closet. That would be perfect. Okay, look at the detail on this window. Look at this really cool light fixture. And beautiful restroom, a marble top sink. There's a little magazine rack right there. And a cloth tub, very clean. New shower curtain if you like that. Really cool light fixture. There we go. Oh, that is great. Lots of storage inside. Undermount white porcelain sink. Really cool big window in there. Really cool paint. I really like that color. There is the thermostat. And that's the intake for the air. So it is forced heat throughout this apartment with a central thermostat. Okay, that looks onto Fell Street. By the way, those are double pane windows, and so are the ones in the very front room we looked at. So that's going to help reduce some of the sound and certainly keep in the heat. So it's funny because they actually look like old classic style, but they're all brand new. So it's really, really fantastic windows. Okay, this room does have a closet inside. Not a bad size. By the way, this room was 10 feet by 13 feet. Okay, and look at that transom window right there. And this is the rear bedroom. This is about 9.6 feet by 13.5 feet. And I'm calling this the rear bedroom. And this does include brand new carpeting. Okay, here is the formal dining room. Stunning room. This really is cool. Of course, you can make this a second living room. You can put a big oversized chair in that window for lots of natural light. It's a really light and bright unit. Okay, this one includes this closet right here. And this dining room is about 11.2 feet by 14 feet for some perspective. A lot of times people tell me in my videos that the rooms in person, they seem larger than what the videos portray. So I'm trying to... Okay, absolutely fantastic eat-in kitchen, light and bright, huge oversized windows. There's a gas range, a pantry, dishwasher. By the way, next door has been under construction for, actually, its construction has paused for the last year. It's possible that it would start up again during your tenancy, but the foundation is laid, so it would probably be a quick, probably about 6 months guessing to construct whatever they're going to build there, probably a 2-story dwelling. So, just FYI, it is there. It could happen. It has been stalled for whatever reason, probably financial. Okay, brand new refrigerator and freezer. This is a back sunroom. This is a great space. This could be great for a home office. A table could go back here, of course, and there's that neighbor backyard again. This is a washer dryer, of course. So laundry room, nice sized laundry room. This is just a wonderful room, this back sunroom. Back sunroom is 13 times about 7.8 feet. Here's a back deck. The backyard is shared. No gardening because the owner's going to take care of the gardening. In fact, it's due for a winter prune. So it's a little overgrown right now, but you're certainly welcome to go down, enjoy it. There's a gazebo in the back. You're welcome to that grill as long as you clean it afterwards. And look at this. This is just a really nice private space here in the back. Nobody's really looking in on you. It feels like a lot of nature. So it's really quite beautiful. In fact, the last tenants actually put like a little desk down here, and they worked. So here's your little Weber grill. And you know, sometimes people are working from home, so why not work from the garden? You're more than welcome to do that. Really pretty. Look at that. Just some first perspective. Here's what the rear looks like. This property is just such well taken care of. And look at this really adorable gazebo. It's almost like a private oasis back here. Isn't that nice? Oh, I love that. Okay, let's take a look at some still images of the property. All right, that concludes our tour. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck in your home search.